How to cancel Netflix membership. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video I'll guide you through the steps on how you can cancel your Netflix membership, so make sure to watch the video till the end. In order to cancel your Netflix membership, all you have to do is just go to netflix.com and then make sure that you're logged into your account. So if you have a membership that you would like to cancel, all you have to do is click the profile icon from the top right and then just go to this option known as account. Once you come to the account page, you're going to be able to land on this page where if you look right at the top left hand corner, you'll find membership and billing, where you'll also find the option called cancel membership. So all you have to do is just make sure to click the cancel membership option here. As you do this, you'll be able to hit the finish cancellation option. This way you'll be able to basically cancel your Netflix membership. Hope this video was very helpful. If you have got any more questions, queries or doubts, feel free to comment down below, and thank you very much for watching. See you soon in our next video.